The Egyptian Empire is one of the most famous and influential civilizations in history. But despite all the knowledge we've gained about them, there are still many things that we don't understand about their culture and way of life. Here are 5 mysteries about the Egyptian Empire that archaeologists are still trying to solve. Number 1. The pre-dynastic Egyptians. The Egyptian civilization emerged along the Nile River around 3100 BC, with the unification of Upper and Lower Egypt under King Menes, or possibly Narmer. But there was a period of pre-dynastic Egypt before this point in time, when the region was inhabited by various small kingdoms and chiefdoms. Archaeologists have uncovered evidence of these early societies, but they don't know much about them because they left behind no written records. This makes it difficult to understand how and why the Egyptian civilization developed the way it did. However, recent discoveries such as the Deir el-Maghar site have shed some light on the development of early Egyptian society. Number 2, the purpose of the pyramids. The pyramids of Giza are among the most iconic structures in the world, and they were built as tombs for the pharaohs and their consorts. But the purpose of the other pyramids that were built throughout Egypt is not fully understood. Some scholars believe that they also served as tombs, while others think that they had religious or astronomical functions, or even that they were built as large-scale building projects to employ the workforce and provide them with food. Number 3, the origin of Egyptian writing. Egyptian hieroglyphics are another important legacy of the Egyptian civilization. They developed a unique system of writing using pictures and symbols to represent words and sounds. But we don't know exactly how and why they invented this system. It's possible that they adapted their existing picture-based art to create a more sophisticated form of communication. Or perhaps they were inspired by other cultures such as the Mesopotamians, who had developed a form of cuneiform writing. Number 4. The role of women in Egyptian society. We know that ancient Egyptian women enjoyed more rights and freedoms than women in many other ancient civilizations. They could own property, start businesses, and even divorce their husbands. But we don't know much about their lives and roles in society because most of the archaeological evidence is biased towards the male perspective. Number 5. The impact of climate change. Recent studies have shown that climate change played a significant role in the decline of the Egyptian civilization. The Nile River, which had been so vital to their survival, became less predictable and more prone to drought and famine. This, combined with other factors such as overpopulation and political instability, may have contributed to the downfall of the empire. These are just a few of the many mysteries that archaeologists are still trying to solve about the Egyptian civilization. Their discoveries have shed light on many aspects of their culture, but there is still so much that we don't know. As new discoveries are made, we can hope to learn more about this fascinating civilization and their place in human history. Thanks for watching.